if you are in a mood for some healthy diet-friendly recipe, or you're just fasting during this Navratri but have no energy left for some elaborate meal, then this is the recipe just for you. This is the most healthy, easy and delicious Sattvic recipe you can ever try your hands on. And also we are going to present it in a very unique way in the form of cucumber boats, as the name suggests. So this is going to be an amazing starter for your parties also, of course for your Navratri parties, who knows. So once you make this recipe, I'm sure you're going to fall in love with it. And once you do that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and while doing so, don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you like this video, then do press the like button and share this video with others for the love of good food. Now let's get started. So as the name suggests, we are going to make cucumber boats. So of course we are going to need cucumber. So here I have taken one large cucumber. You can take as many as you like, and I'm going to cut it diagonally from the center, and also I'm going to cut it diagonally from the edges so that it forms the shape of a boat. Now to make the cucumber sit straight on a plate, I'm going to peel the base. So now you can see the cucumbers can easily rest on a plate without rolling here and there. Also, I'm going to peel the top portion because that's where we are going to create the cavity. Now using a small knife, I'm going to make slits on the edges. I'm going to take out the cucumber from this portion so that a cavity is formed in the middle. So we have taken out the cucumber, and you can see now there's a hollow boat kind of structure, and this is exactly what we are looking out for. So boats are ready. Now we'll move towards making the dressing for our salad. Now for making the dressing, here I have taken a little more than half cup of curd, and I've placed it inside a muslin cloth and let it rest for around 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, you can see that all the excess water gets drained out and I'm left with hung curd. So now we'll go about making the dressing. So here I have taken half a cup of hung curd. Into it I'm going to mix honey 3 tablespoons, pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste. If you're making it during fasting, then you can use sendha namak or rock salt. Mix everything until it turns nice and smooth. Now I'm going to add my fruits and veggies. So here I'm adding chopped apples. Next goes our cucumber that we have taken out from the cavity. Some chopped carrots, half of a tomato. I have de-seeded the tomato. Also some pomegranate as required. Now mix everything thoroughly. And you can see it looks so amazing, just like your Russian salad, but here we haven't used any mayonnaise or any kind of junk or anything that you cannot have during your fasting. So this looks amazing and it tastes equally delicious. Now salad is ready. Now we're going to fill up our cucumber boats. So into the cavity goes a delicious salad. And our amazing, delicious and healthy cucumber boats are ready. So do give this recipe a try, and I'm sure you're going to fall in love with it, like I said before. So just let me know in case you make this, how did it turn out for you, and I'm sure it will be amazing. So see you soon again with another amazing fusion recipe. Till then, happy Navratri to you.